Hey, how's it going? Are you sick of the headache you get from your upper tailgate always falling on your head? Well, in this one, we're going to fix that for the grand sum of about 10 English pounds. So, let's have a look. Basically, what you've got on this one... Naturally, when they're shopping in, yeah, every time. Hence the hat. It's not, it's just cold out. Anyway. What we've got are these two gas struts there and there, and they're readily available on eBay for about 10 quid for a pair of them. Just a generic, no-name kind of brand. And we'll pop them on now. I think what I might do on this, if you can see, these have the stick there, and then the sort of body there. I'm tempted to do that the other way around, but no, actually no, we'll go with exactly as they are. So we're just going to pop them in and see how we get on. So let's start off by adding a tailgate support device. Sledgehammer. All the tools needed. A small screwdriver. And apologies for the failing light, but on the back of these you'll see this metal tab here. So, screwdriver in here, tweak it. Oops. Easy. This is really difficult when you're looking through a camera to do it. Like that. In there. And effectively just tweak that up enough to let the ball sit in the cup. That's one side off, you can see. It's not as pretty as it could be, but it's just popped out. Oops. Ah. There we go. Now to do this one. And the new one just presses straight in. Slightly better than I thought it would be. Instant improvement. Let's do the other side. We're sorted. There we go, 2 hood struts, not hood struts, tailgate struts replaced. Beautiful. It's quite a while since it worked like that. That is quite satisfying. Anyway, I know losing the light, that wasn't possibly the clearest, but easy job, 10 quid, done. Saves lots of headaches. Cheers, catch you in the next one.